Okay guys, I don't know about you, but I love a good cat eye. Now unfortunately it can be hit or miss if you are like me and not skilled in some of the aspects of applying your eye makeup to achieve this effect. So I found these stencils on Amazon from BETH Bender Beauty. Now they are the Pro-Go eyeliner stencils. Now look, today there's a stencil for everything and I'm here for it. Now I'm going to try these out and let you know the outcome in a future full-length video. Okay guys, so at some point I am going to do an application of these stencils, these eyeliner stencils that I purchased off of Amazon, and it is from, once again, BETH Bender Beauty. Now what I'm going to do is just kind of like a little quick unveiling or unpackaging here, just so that we can see what we're going to be working with. Now I am going to leave some of the details down at the bottom for the Amazon site that I purchased these from, and the links as well. So we're going to just take a quick look inside. Hopefully I don't cut anything. You know, they package things nowadays so that you can barely get into them in a reasonable amount of time. So this is pretty much what comes. This is this packaging here. This is this one here. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So you get a little card that references BETH Bender Beauty. That's focusing. I don't know if that's focusing or not. But you get a little card, and there is the information for the website. And this here is a directions for how you would apply the stencils to achieve that cat eye look or whatever eyeliner look you're trying to achieve. Gives you all of the directions here for how to apply, and there's some additional information on the back as well. Kind of gives you their story, the tips that you might need to get that perfect eyeliner or that perfect cat eye. So that's what came in this packaging. Now there's one more thing, and that is going to be the stencils. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get all of this on camera. So it's kind of a long strip. Let me get my Sephora bag out the way. So it's kind of a long strip, as you can see. Straighten that out for you there. So basically it's blocked off into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 sections of stencils, and each section has 6 stencils in each section. Okay, so we're going to put that aside. So that's what came inside of this. Okay. Now, this also came from the same site. They actually came together. They came packaged together. So I'm just guessing that these are, yeah, these are just more stencils. So let's see here. Once again, I hope I don't cut anything. So we're just going to take a quick look inside. Okay, so in this packaging, in here, for eye candy, eyeliner stencils. There we go, in focus. So in this one we get another card that actually, there you go, that gives you directions on how to place, just some tips to get the most from these stencils. And once again, you know, got quite a few tips here, directions. It keeps opening up, I keep finding, well, there we go. Okay. Gives you creative ways to use these stencils. There you go. And you can also use these as well to apply eyeshadow. It's just the placement of the stencils. And once again, all the directions and the application process is on here. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so pretty much the same thing that was in the other one. Yeah, pretty much the same thing that was in the other one. Little card for BETH Bender Beauty, the website down below here. And once again, you know, stencils. Ooh, now these stencils, these are bigger than the other ones. okay? Look at the size of those. Those are bigger than the other ones. So whatever look you're going for, these two stencils, these two stencil packets give you two different looks. One looks like it appears to be from the minimum to the extreme, okay? There you go. So once again, guys, like I said, that was just a little quick unveiling there. I'm going to come back at some point and do an application for you. It will probably be very, very messy, but you know what? We'll go through it together. So once again, this is eyeliner stencils from BENDER Beauty, and there's one for eye candy, and then there's this one for just for this one here, I'm thinking it's just the basic stencil. This one here, I think, is a little more dramatic. But in any event, we'll get into it in a full-length interview. Well, not a full-length interview, in a full-length show and tell again when I do the messy application process. Okay?